So, do you think now that you are a well-established comic persona, do you think that's happened?
No, I don't think
You don't think so?
No, I think
Are you being modest?
no, I'm not being modest. Honestly speaking, I think it's been actually 10 years since comedy sort of properly happened. And I believe that now is when it started. Like till now was it's like you ask someone when they're studying, saying, so are you ready to fix this machine or are you ready to do this job? No, they're not. So I think it was almost like a studying thing till now where I tried different things. The things I'm doing on stage now or I'm trying to say are, I think, more clear and seem like it's going to get better. So I think I will become a good comic persona or a good artist starting now. I think that.
But why has it taken you so long to figure that out? Like 10 years, you're saying, right?
Yeah.
That's
But
like a long time, right?
No, that's very small.
Out of 65 years, 10 years is.
That's okay.
Ah.
See, the good thing is I have 27 more. And 27 more only for this. That's great. 27 years is gorgeous for this. But 10 years is I think it's so okay, there are two parts to this. As a skill, I believe the 10 years is in fact sometimes I feel is less. But I think as a comedian who's establishing herself or selling shows, yeah, it's been longer. Like I think I could have been more famous if I was a guy. I would have been faster because acceptance of audience of a funny man is faster. And I'm not saying it as a, like
And why do you think that's the case?
because everyone is, including me, we are taught to, or we are conditioned to be like, yeah, guys, boys are funny, girls are pretty. And it seems like such a flippant thing, but it's taught to us since from the beginning, right? Like hasi to fasi, or like arey, just make her laugh. Like, oh, boys have the freedom that they're given, that you go to play, you're not called back at a certain point unless you have to study. There is no safety issue. So your brain is never thinking ki, oh, if I'm doing this, these are my risks. But if you tell a girl she has to go from A to B, she will think of 1,000 risks. 2 days back, I ordered sabji to my house. The man has brought sabji. I feel like I have so much power in my life. And I'm showing him a screenshot of the payment I have made. He is taking pictures of my boobs, Bharadwaj. And I'm like, brother, what?
What?
The audacity. I pay rent for this house और तू मेरी picture खींच रहा है. मुझे तेरी picture खींचनी चाहिए because this is my house and my rules. But like imagine the audacity.
Yeah.
In that situation also, he had more power than me. And this inequality, which is so subtle, it puts you a few steps back. It takes you to reach your 1,000-seater. It takes time for you to do that. Or like it takes time for you to get to the 2,000, because my brain is also very risk like oh, what's the risk? If I'm putting our show in NMACC for 2,000 people, what if people don't come? Then that failure is just horrible. And I know it's internal also. Like the one good thing that I take from men is men really know how to take risks. They really know how to bet on themselves. अरे मैं कर दूंगा यार, अरे करके देखते हैं, viral हो जाऊंगा मैं. This attitude is so exciting in men, and I have taken this leap from men only. When I'm like, no, I want to take that bet कि कर लेंगे यार. तो 2,000 seater ना, we'll try it. So this attitude, it's taken me some time to arrive at. So I wish I could have been, I could have filled 1,000 seater faster, or
No, but
like that.
I think every journey takes its whatever. It's each person's journey.
Exactly.
Right?
Yeah. But it is. I do think that the journey. It's very simple. Like on stage, I cannot cuss as much as other male comics can. Some words of cussing don't sound nice from me. I get a recoil.
This old gentleman who who complained against
Yeah,
you.
yeah.
Are you
Oh,
saying
yeah.
he might not have complained had it been a guy saying the same words?
100%.
Okay.
He's like, not at all. Like, it's a consensual penis.
So it's not about the word as such.
It's about why are you speaking like this? Because it was
Because
in his
you're
complaint.
supposed to be this demure girl.
In the complaint also, he was like, as a woman, how could she say that? I'm like, friend.
He said that
Yeah,
as
yeah,
a
yeah.
woman.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's the thing. And this is such an exciting experience I figured out, because even till last year, I was like, I think some of my problems are bigger in my head. I really gaslight myself to be like, no, it's all chill. Then I did a show called where I had to go to a village and do village tasks. And the people I've interacted with there, spoken to, leave men, women are sexist. It's gorgeous. Like the sexism is, it's almost wow.
Like, what is it?
Like what layers to that sexism?
What do they
Where
say?
it's very like the women run the village, they are the ones who are getting up, they're taking care of the kids, they're working, they're taking care of the farms. But they're very like, nahi, mera pati kyun kaam karega? I'm like, babe, what? I said, but then I said, okay, if you're the one working, then all the power belongs to you. She's like, no, all the power belongs to men. Do you not understand that? She convinced me. I was like, I think she's right. I think the men, it does belong to the men. So it is so deep rooted that if I say the word penis, it's really like, it's too jarring for boys to be like, or I have seen a lot of junior comics where other male comics have told junior comics saying, ये ऐसे गालियाँ मत दिया करो, अच्छा नहीं लगता. I'm like, you just said, I heard it in my own ears, and you're telling a junior comic, नहीं ऐसे गाली वाली मत दिया करो, अच्छा नहीं लगता. I said, shut daughter or what?
And this is given to you as advice.
Not to me. That I think they don't have guts anymore.
Okay.
But to other female comics, we see that. So,
Wow.
and you know, most comedians or female comics take it very like, let's not make a big deal about it. Let's put our head down. Let's work and move ahead. But sometimes I'm like, shut the fuck up, man. Don't
But
irritate
is that something reactionary new maybe that's making you swear on stage? Because now you do that a lot and very
Yeah.
casually,
Yeah,
like
yeah.
many of us do, right?
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
like
exactly.
it's like everybody swears.
Yeah.
I mean, at least I think everybody swears. So
Yeah.
except probably the gentleman who filed against you,
Yeah,
that
yeah.
complaint against you. But the point is, when
like
swear,
I feel, sorry.
is that something that like, okay, you know, how dare you tell me what to do and what not to do? I will cuss on stage. Has that happened?
No, because I think circling back to our initial point, if I do it dishonestly, you'll catch me.
Right.
Like if the word fuck sound, it's the rule of dialogue writing, right? If the dialogue doesn't sound like it's somebody spoke it, then it's a very like a dialogue. Then it's like रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे बाप लगते हैं. Not a bad dialogue, but you're like, I'm not gonna walk up to someone.
Okay, the first time I'm hearing like fuck is like रिश्ते में तो तेरे बाप लगते हैं.
But
This is
you
like,
know, if I say very like, what the fuck, you'll be like, that's weird. I'll be like, but what the fuck? And it comes out, you're like, oh, this person
yeah,
uses it.
it's a very
usually.
malleable word also.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so I don't think it's reactionary, although I feel like with age, it's going to be either too much of it or less of it.
Okay.
I think so.